Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wrike for workload management and approvals step by step clearly. To download Wrike for workload management and approvals, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Wrike and press enter. Click on the official Wrike website link in the search results. Once the website loads, look for a prominent button that says Get Started or Sign Up. Click on that button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required details, such as your name, email address, and desired password. After completing the registration form, click Create Account or a similar option. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Wrike. Open the email and click the link provided to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Wrike website and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the Wrike dashboard. To download the mobile app, scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the mobile app section. Choose the platform that matches your device, either iOS or Android. Click on the respective link to be directed to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once on the app page, click the Download or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Wrike app. Log in with the same account credentials you used on the website. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features for workload management and approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.